you do with your life? Get your education, boy. Subscribe to A's Online.
Alright, yes, we're back everyone. Welcome to A's Online Virtual Classroom. This is your Mathematics Monday tip of the day. So, if you haven't done it as yet, hit that subscribe button because we have a lot of videos coming your way presenting you the best tips and tricks to face your mathematics exams with a little more confidence. Alright, so A's Online Tutoring Services is presenting this, and we are attempting to make sure that exam success is at your fingertips. Alright, so just hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that share button, and let's get straight to the work for today. So today we're looking at squaring numbers that end in 5. So first of all, what do we mean by squaring a number? Well, squaring a number is when any number has the exponent 2. What's an exponent? Alright, so the little number that floats above a whole number, a fraction, a decimal. This little number here is called an exponent. It's also called a power. It's also called an indice. Alright, now to square any number simply means that you have to take the number and multiply it by itself. So 3 squared is 3 multiplied by 3, which is 9. Alright, so this is what we mean to square a number. Now, if we want to square a number that ends in 5, there's a little trick. So let's say we have a number like 25. Make sure and get your calculator because you know you had to double check me to see if I'm doing it correct. And if we want to square 25, what we will do is we will take the 2, right, multiply it by itself. 2 times 2 is 4. Then you're taking this answer here and you're adding it back to 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. And what you have to do is you take the 6 and you add on 25 to the end. So 25 squared is 625. Alright, check my back. Make sure I'm setting you up. Let's look at another number. So let's say we have 35 squared. We just go 35 squared. So we're taking the 3, we're multiplying it by itself. 3 times 3 is 9. And then we're taking the 9 and we're adding 3 to it. The same number, 3, and we'll get 12. So we take the 12 and we add 25 onto the end. You get 12, 25. Yeah? Let's say we have a number like, 55 squared. So all numbers ending in 5 you can do this with. And I'm just getting bigger and bigger as we go along. So now we will take the 5, this 5, multiply it by itself. We get 25. Then you take 5, the same number you had, add it to it. You get 30. So the answer, you take the 30 and you add 25 to the end. So 55 squared is 3025. So those are the smaller numbers, the 2-digit numbers. If we want to start looking at our 3-digit numbers, we can take a number like 105. So once it ends in 5 and you're squaring it, you're going to take the number in front of the 5, which is 10, multiply it by itself. Right? 10 times 10 is 100. You take that 100 and you add the same number to it, 10. So you get 110. And then you take this 110, it's 110, and you add 25 in front of it. So 105 squared is 11,025. Alright, check it on the calculators, make sure I ain't carrying it down the wrong road. Let's look at 115 squared. This will be the last one for today. 11 times 11, actually we'll do one more. 11 times 11 is 121. 121 plus 11, the same number we had before, will give us 132. We're going to take this 132 and write 25 after it, right? And just to do one more, we could take 125, square that. So you take 12 times 12, that's 144. 144 plus 12, that's 156. And you take that 156 and you write 25 afterwards. So this is the process to square any number ending in 5 in a kind of shortened version, instead of having to manually write out 125 times 125 and work out those 3 sets of rows to add up afterwards. This is a much shorter, simpler way. And yeah, that's it for today. So that brings us to the end of our Mathematics Monday tip of the day, brought to you by A's Online Tutoring Services. Thanks a lot for watching. If you made it through the whole video, make sure and hit subscribe, because we have plenty more, and share it with all your friends. All right, so thanks again. I will see you next week, Monday.
What you do with your life? Get your education, boy. Subscribe to A's Online. Click. We got tutors, they go live. When you're home, you're safe and sound. Subscribe. Just log on, study now. Subscribe to A's Online. Tutors, they go live. When you're home, you're safe and sound. Log on, study now. Subscribe to A's Online. Tutors, they go live. You can log in from your house. I say log in with your mouse. Log on, study now. Subscribe to A's Online. Yeah. Tutors, they go live. You can log in from your house. I say log in with your mouse.